Fixed assets are an essential part of your company's assets. When analyzing fixed assets, your accountants rely on up-to-date, accurate, and complete information on the life cycle of current fixed assets. With the Managed Fixed Assets app, you've got all the data you need for an asset in one place, including master data details and asset values per depreciation area and fiscal year. You can see the true values of your fixed assets at any point in time. Let's have a look. We'll open the Managed Fixed Assets app. Here we can create new fixed assets, search for fixed assets according to our criteria, jump to the asset master data details, and display the asset's valuation. At the top of the screen, you find different categories of assets, such as created and incomplete. You can easily filter the assets according to their life cycle status. We want to check the asset master data for an asset that's already been capitalized. To find the relevant asset, we'll enter filter criteria like text, company code, and asset class. To see only the capitalized assets, we'll just select the corresponding category. Now we select the relevant asset. We could directly check the valuation of the capitalized asset, or we can check the details of the asset master data. Let's display the asset master data first. The asset master data is divided among the following sections. First, we have the general or inventory data, time-dependent data, origin, and ledger. Then we have valuation, attachments, and change documents. Let's select the full screen display. In the ledger section, we want to check for which ledgers the asset has been capitalized. The valuation section shows an overview of the depreciation parameters per depreciation area. We want to check the APC and depreciation values for IFRS, and we want to display the journal entries relating to partial retirement. To do this, we'll select the depreciation area for IFRS. The Value Display tab shows us a great deal of information. For each key figure, we see the asset balance at the start and end of the selected fiscal year, along with values already posted and values still due. If we look at the change column, we see the total posted value plus the calculated due value, and the net book value appears at the end of the table. We can easily change the fiscal year as well as the currency. When we choose a currency, the app displays the values for the same ledger and depreciation area in the parallel currency. In addition to the key figures, we can also display the journal entries and the depreciation. On the General Parameters and Additional Parameters tabs, we can check further parameters concerning depreciation, such as depreciation key and useful life. Let's check the partial retirement. The Journal Entries tab lists all journal entries that have been posted up to now. We can display the partial retirement information either in the Journal Entry view or in the T Account view. Let's select the journal entry for the retirement posting and choose the T Account view. Here we go. In the upper part, we see the balance sheet accounts, and in the lower part, we see the profit and loss accounts. Here's where the retirement posting is shown. Let's go back to the key figures screen. The breakdown of the net book value by fiscal year is beautifully presented in a chart, enabling you to quickly see how the assets' values are evolving. Let's open the Depreciation tab. Here, we can clearly see the depreciation values by depreciation type and period. The status shows whether the depreciation is still planned or whether it has been posted. These and other features of the Managed Fixed Assets app will help you stay on top of everything concerning your company's assets from beginning to end.